Welcome to the world of bonsai, a craft that blends nature with art, patience with precision. Today, we'll explore what makes bonsai so valuable. Growing a bonsai tree takes years of dedicated care and often decades to reach maturity. Each tree must be carefully shaped, pruned, and wired for its unique design, making this an intensive and continuous commitment. Creating a bonsai isn't just about planting, it's a meticulous art form. Skilled artisans spend years perfecting their techniques, ensuring each tree embodies harmony, beauty, and tradition, adding greatly to its value. Some bonsai trees are cultivated from rare or exotic species that are difficult to find and even harder to nurture. Such species add rarity and exclusivity to the tree, driving up its price. A true bonsai isn't complete without the right container, often a handcrafted pot specifically chosen to match and highlight the tree's aesthetics. These pots, especially when custom-made, can be very costly on their own. Many bonsai are passed down through generations, becoming family heirlooms with a rich history. This adds immeasurable sentimental and historical value, as each tree carries stories of the past. Bonsai requires advanced techniques like root pruning, branch wiring, and leaf trimming to maintain its miniature form. These techniques need precision and experience, often raising the tree's worth. Bonsai trees are highly sought after, yet quality bonsai take many years to grow, making them a rare find. This limited supply paired with high demand contributes to their price. The artistry of bonsai isn't just in its look, it's in the serenity it brings to a space. This natural beauty, paired with its calming influence, makes bonsai highly desirable. Many mature bonsai trees have been nurtured by generations of caretakers, each one adding their own touch. This multi-generational care makes these trees invaluable as living artifacts. No two bonsai are alike. Each tree develops its own character through years of shaping, and this unique individuality makes each bonsai a one-of-a-kind piece of art that collectors treasure. Creating a bonsai is a journey, one that transforms a simple seedling into a timeless piece of art. Each bonsai carries a legacy of care, artistry, and tradition, which is what makes it so priceless.